practice reading words with the word team A-M. Together, these letters say am. Add D and it says d-am, d-am, dam. Add J and it says j-am, j-am, jam. Add H and it says am, ham. Add R and it says am, ram, ram. Add C-L and it says am, clam, clam. Add G-R and it says am, gram, gram. Add S-L and it says am, slam, slam. Add S-P and it says am, spam. Add S-W and it says am, swam, swam. Let's read some sentences. The clam swam to the dam to eat the ham and spam with jam. Pam said, "Don't cram for the exam." Now you practice reading it on your own. Thank you for reading with me. Follow the links for more practice. Please like and subscribe.